So in this very quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can compress a video using QuickTime. So QuickTime will already be installed on your MacBook. It's default with macOS. So all I need to do is to find where my little assignment is, right click and open with QuickTime. So from there I've got my assignment here. From there I just want to compress it. So I can go to File, Export As, and then I can choose the resolution I want to compress it. So if I just need the audio file, for example, if it's a task where the teacher just needs the audio to be played, perhaps it's in music or performing arts, something like that. Otherwise, I can choose a different resolution. So 1080p is about the high resolution of a TV, and then it starts to get smaller. 480p is normally quite good for web. Generally, this doesn't compress the audio, it just compresses the video, so the amount of pixels within the screen. So I can select 480p, and then I can choose where I want it to go. So I'm going to choose same in my downloads. I'll call this compressed, and then I will save, and then QuickTime will start to compress my video. So this is going to take a little bit of time, but once it is completed, then I'll be able to submit this assignment or embed it into whatever I need to.